Hey, that's good. Don't hit that sidewalk. It's just full of where water builds up.
I want to go in it.
No, you can't. It'll tear your side by side up.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
No, it won't.
You can't run your side by side through that. It'll tear it up. Don't do it, DAE DAE. Do not.
Can you go through it?
No, I don't want to get my feet wet and stuff. That's deep.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it'll tear your side by side up. It get the motors and stuff wet.
How can we fix it?
And you have to get a new one. We don't want to tear it up.
But I'm going to go past it.
Yeah.
But I went through that ladder.
That little one's okay. Going through that little one's all right. Watch where you're going. Always watch in front of you.
I'm going to turn that one so you don't cause it.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch
Here now.
Have water in it?
Yeah.
Music mode. Music mode.
What? Yeah, that's the priest. Don't mess with it. That belongs to the priest. I don't know. He had it out here for something. Just it's not ours, so we don't mess with it.
Priest?
Yeah, the priest. Remember he came out and talked to us last time?
Yeah.
He's nice, so we don't mess with his stuff, okay?
Huh?
They're probably going to use that to plant flowers.
No, they're using it to plant vegetables.
Oh, okay, vegetables.
Yeah.
All right.
Can you help me?
Oh, that's sure. We always wear a seatbelt.
If we go somewhere far. Let's go out.
Yeah.
Let me show you. See?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a carrot, and this looks like cabbage.
What is that?
I don't know what the, pepper. That's a bell pepper.
What is that?
You tell me what that is.
You tell me what that is.
That's a carrot.
What is this for?
It's a cover off for a lawnmower.
Huh?
It's a cover for a lawnmower.
A cover?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Well, why'd you ask if you weren't going to believe what I told you?
I think this goes to my dust. It is dirty because my Bible side is dirty.
Oh, it is?
We need to take that water.
Hey, go pick that up.
Let's just lay it there.
Hey, pick it up. We don't throw stuff down and leave it. You're not listening. DAE DAE.
I'll just close my door and relax.
You're not listening. Hey, stop. Stop. Two things. Turn it off. No. No, stop. We're not going nowhere. Stop. You don't have your seatbelt on and you don't have your door closed. Put the seatbelt on and close the door. Hey, you're going to run over me now. Stop. It's off. Yeah, it is. I got it right here. Put the seatbelt on and close the door all the way.
Yep.
And then go back there. Before you put your seatbelt on, go back there and pick that thing up you throw down. I'm not letting you ride it till you pick that up. Pull your latch in.
Like that?
No, the latch. Yes.
Ah!
You still gotta go pick that thing up.
No, I'm not. Hey, you did. I can't unbuckle.
Yeah, I'll help you unbuckle.
Who's Dean's car?
Now, go pick it up, and then you can ride.
You mean up here?
Yep.
You mean up there?
No, right here to your right. Thank you.
What is that? What is that? This.
Some kind of nut off of a tree.
Huh?
Some kind of nut off of a tree.
What's in here?
That's the drain that goes to the creek.
Can I throw this in there?
Not the plastic thing, but that nut you can. Good job. Now watch your step. There's rocks. Put that back in the back. Thank you. Seat belt.
Check.
I'll help you with your door. Watch your fingers. Good job. Now you ready to ride?
Yep.
Thank you for picking that up. I love you more. Now don't do that. Golly. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, don't do that. You'll hurt me. Don't do that. You'll hurt Ops bad. You run over me. Hey. Watch where you're going. Not doing that. Don't do it no more. Okay? Thank you. Stop.
I'm sorry.
If you do it again, we're putting it up. No, you don't.
Sorry.
Okay. If you're sorry, you don't do it anymore.
Okay. Turn it back on.
Hey, when you change the, stop. When you change the,
I'm gonna do my brakes on.
hey, you gotta make sure you're stopped before you change the gears, okay?
Why?
Because it'll tear the transmission up. Make sure you come to a complete stop before you change the gears. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Yeah, stop. Hey, don't lean out the side of it.
I didn't.
I'm talking about don't stick your head out here in case it turns up.
that?
Yeah, don't do that.
Can you knock on me?
Why, sure.
Can you open my door?
Yes. Now, don't go over and jump in that mud puddle
Why?
because you got your socks and shoes on. If you want to do that, you got to take your socks and shoes off.
Okay. I'll just hit my valve on, okay?
Huh?
What's that? And my clothes?
No, you can leave your pants on.
Not my shirt.
Yeah.
Not my shirt.
Hold on. Let me get your sock. Put it right here.
I need to pee.
Now go ahead. Made a tornado.
Huh?
I wouldn't jump in it. Them rocks are gonna hurt your feet.
What rocks?
The ones in that muddy puddle.
Can I get in it?
I don't want you to, but
I do. Is it deep?
yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it is deep. But it is warm.
Is it warm?
Feel it.
No, I'm not feeling it.
Yes.
Is it warm? Or is it cold?
Warm and cold. had stuff in it.
Them rocks are gonna hurt your feet.
Oh, Lord. This rock
Yeah.
is big. Let's throw it out.
Throw it out of the muddy puddle.
Huh?
Did you throw it out of the muddy puddle?
No, the rocks.
Oh, okay.
My hands. Well, you get in it.
No, I'm not getting in it.
Yeah. Let me go get my ball pack.
You gotta dry off.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Hey, you gotta put. Stop. You got your clothes and everything on the back.
Huh?
Your clothes and everything is on the back.
I want to go to the muddy puddle, actually.
Well, let's move you side by side. Stop.
You can move it. Can I sit down?
No, don't sit down and get your shorts wet. Don't throw them rocks now. Get in your eyes. You got mud all over you. On your shoulder and everywhere. No, Dagan. What are you doing?
What are you doing? Huh? Oh!
Put that mud down now.
Huh?
You can put that mud down
Look at all of it.
and rinse your hands off.
In here?
Yeah.
It's on the regular rock.
As soon as we get home, you gotta get straight in the bathtub.
What? My home?
No, my house.
Oh. But look at my legs.
Yeah.
I want to go lay down.
No, don't lay down. No, do not. Dagan, Michael, set up.
Got that mad.
Yep.
Well.
No, get up, Dagan.
Now look at my hands.
Quit, you're good. You got your whole body wet. Except your head. You don't need to get no more wet. You're gonna get sick. Is it cold? Is it cold when the wind blows? Say,
Cold.
is it cold when the wind blows?
Yeah. Look at it. Get more ready. I want to get my hair wet.
No, absolutely not.
Are they going to our house?
No,
Where are they going?
somebody else's house. That's enough. Which one?
That one up there.
We
See that
will.
one blowing it?
Yeah, we will make it one time.
But how can we get up there?
We'll take a ladder, stick it up right there and climb up that ladder.
But can I change some out?
Put your glasses on. Don't holler like that now. Put your glasses on. I'm gonna get you started.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
You ready? Hold it straight. Can't let off of it, it won't start back. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Keep going. Hold it down. Alright, let off of it. Roll your log over. You gotta roll it now. There we go. See where it ain't cut right here, so we have to put it up there and cut right there. Come here.
Let's pick it up.
Yeah. Put it on our pile.
Thorns?
No, ain't no thorns on that one.
Can I get it for me, Tammy? Well, I couldn't put this. Hey!
Come on, put them over here on our wood pile.
Alright.
Golly, you're strong. Got big muscles. Good job.
I want to do that one.
Got it?
Big muscles, boom.
Try to keep them in the pile.
Wow.
That's good. Don't slam it down there because you're messing the pile up. There you go. There's two more. We made lots of wood chips, didn't we? Tell Nana, say safety comes first.
Safety comes first.
Gotta be safe to have fun.
What are the wood chips?
Turn around here and show them to the camera. Now say like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Share the video.
Share the video.
We need some subscribers.
We need some subscribers.
You want those subscribers to go on that pizza with you, don't you?
Yeah. Look what I got, guys.
So see you next time.
See you next time.